Pushing the limits. For centuries, people have been pushing the limits of what they can do. But it seems that these days the limits are getting higher and higher. Normal waves aren't big enough for experienced surfers. They want big waves, over 6 meters. Jumping from a 10-meter platform into a pool is no longer challenging enough for experienced divers. They want to jump from a cliff over 25 meters high. We imagine that people who do extreme sports love danger and are risk takers. But is this really true? Well, first, did you know that the most dangerous sports are considered to be cheerleading and horse riding? Of course, extreme sports are very dangerous. And if something goes wrong, it's possible a person won't survive. But people who do extreme sports have a lot of safety equipment, which reduces the level of danger. In contrast, cheerleaders wear no safety equipment when performing difficult moves. And horse riders aren't always able to control their horse's behavior. As a kayaker, Dr. Eric Breimer has first-hand experience of extreme sports. He isn't convinced that extreme sports people are risk-takers. His research shows they're careful people who respect the power of nature. They investigate the environment they're in and how the weather can change this. They use this knowledge to control the situation with accuracy, which reduces the level of danger and their level of fear. Dr. Breimer believes that people who do extreme sports are focused and determined to succeed, and not the carefree people we imagine. So, why do people try to push the limits in sport? There are many theories, but let's look at 3 ideas. First, people usually do extreme sports alone. This means they cannot depend on anyone else but themselves. Second, they set themselves a goal and work incredibly hard until eventually they reach their goal. Perhaps these are things that they can't do in their jobs, so look for them in sports. Finally, unlike everyday sports, extreme sports don't have complicated rules. Perhaps people who do extreme sports are looking to do something free from social rules. In this way, they feel they're living life to the full.